Alright, here you can see a triangular frame, and this is used as a canvas. You can see the lots of colorful grasses in the ground, and the sky has a little bit clouds in the sky, and other parts are remaining white. So I'm going to put some grasses in the horizon, taking different shade of colors. You can see this is little bit, the light color of the greens here. Okay, on top of it putting the dark green as a border. Let's take more color, putting the dark green borders. You can see the top and the lines in the bottom to define a clear outline of the borders. Okay, blending with the the ground level and the trees here. Maybe I'm just see a smaller tree here, little bit branches. Okay, so that's getting visually clear. In the horizon the tree labels and the bigger tree here. So to make this tree visible, I'm going to add some the white color on the upper part of the trees. Okay, going to add some white colors. All right, so you can see that tree is nicely visible. Okay, for the house drawing I'm going to take a separate color and trying to draw a house here. Okay, on top of the tree lines you can see just drawing a borders. Okay, now to make the house clearly visible I have to add some white color on the top to make it clearly visible. This is the roof lines. Okay, the house is okay in the horizon, and putting the the bushes, a multicolor effect. All right, so that's the very simple scenery. You can see the sky, the clouds, the ground here, and a house and a tree here. So that's the drawing, very simple and easy. You can do practice at home. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.